Hello guys, this is Aziz Idris and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to draw a 2D plan just like this one, then continue watching the tutorial. You can fast forward or reverse anytime you miss any of the steps. Thank you. And please, if you know you've not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking on the subscription and turn on notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop any new video. Thank you. So to begin any drawing, you click on start drawing or you choose any template of your choice. Then you insert your layers by clicking on the layer properties. Then you click on the first icon which says new layer. So your first layer will be for the walls. Then you choose the color. You can decide to change the line type or the line width. So you do the same for doors, windows, texts, dimensions, or any other layer you want to add. So after you insert the layers, you start drawing the walls. So you go to the layer properties, then you choose walls. We use the polyline to draw the walls, which is PL, or you can choose it from the icon at the top left corner. We realize that the line is not straight, so we come to our auto to straighten the line. So you press F9 on your keyboard to get your lines at 90 degrees. Start by drawing our first bedroom with dimensions 4 meter by 4 meter.
Yeah. See, child messages in my DM, I for holla back. They say make a drop first like a pasta das. Cause these new rappers, they drop some yawa bars. Only way they go touch ID be the Magana card. I'm a genius, something I overhead. Like, how you...
So we add the wall thickness. To add the wall thickness, we have set this rectangle by 150 millimeters, meaning 150 millimeters is our wall thickness.
Go pick case overhead. You know go buy me if you know be overhead. Cause it be tete kwashima bars go overhead. Wait, that last bar somebody they hit. Like you know be overhead, so I do mistake. Well, my boys no say I fit do again. Cause it be tete kwashi. So now I'm meant to change. Miguel no pesa umia, you go stress. So over with 100k if you know go get press. So I just mad Charlie, make you no mind me. You know my name the da, I know for J my ID.
Okay, now that we are done with the first bedroom walls, you add the washrooms. So the two bedrooms will share the same washroom. So we separate the WC from the bath. Then we add a lobby to it as well. Now we have our washrooms, then the lobby, then the WC. So we are going to add a kitchen from here. Our kitchen dimension was 3 meters by 4 meters. So that's 3,000 millimeters by 4,000 millimeters for the kitchen. Now we add our veranda here to separate the living room and one bedroom from the kitchen, washroom, and the other bedroom. So the veranda was 1 meter by the length of the whole thing. From here, we add our other bedroom, our second bedroom. Then we add the walls. Then we add our living room here. Okay, we are done with the wall, so we trim all the lines we don't need again. All the lines that just helped us to draw the walls. Trim. Now that we are done with the walls, we go on to add our windows and doors. Okay, I didn't insert any layer for the doors, so I'll use layer 1 for the doors. So for now, I'll just do the windows. So we draw our frame. The dimensions of the frames, which are commonly used in Ghana here, is 50 millimeters by 150, which is the thickness of the wall. So this is what is commonly used to represent windows in 2D drawings. So this is a single window. You can copy this one here 3 times to get 3 windows. But for the single window, we mostly use it in the washrooms.
Yo, see, you dey try BM, but you no get vibe. Messy this you, now you dey act like your Honda. So you dey fake accent with your hard body. I no go praise your Honda, come a Bugatti. We fit go infinity, I do am anyhow. I chew the rap like it be Lamborghini foul.
Here we insert the windows in the walls.
Say me, they never knew true dreamer. Now the animal come out, you for zookeeper. They wish they will rap better than me, but tell them make you start they play golf, cause it can't flow. I may back you against any rapper, but with the way I the cruise, even your puppy can't too. You can't afford the flow, cause I'm the best lah. They know they in my range, why then the Tesla? Them my bars below, they need the charger, that be why them all the dodge anytime I ask for challenger.
So now that we are done inserting the windows, we are going to add our doors. I forgot to add a layer for the doors, so I'm going back to insert another layer for the doors. So again, for the doors, we are going to add a frame. The frame of the door will be the same as that of the windows, which is 150 by 50. But if you use a wall size of 200, you should use a 50 by 200 frame. So this symbol is used to represent the doors. So now we are going to insert the doors into the walls.
Check on me, or did you notice me?
Yeah, them all go hear what I they come say. Oh yeah, then cry, they go know one day. No be your fault. Cause when you ask now, also you player, so you just the party. Just say you make any dear, you pass test. So by the way, you need about 4 pass tests. Won't my boy, I know they feel walk past tests. Go teach me alcohol, see I know fi pass tests. You take every box, but no check on me. Like I hate Nike, no check on me. Like I use only ATM, no check on me. A joy, yeah, can't call ya, he'll check on me. Miss right became my mistake. Cause everything I get, my mistake. Love is a gamble. If you make a mistake, yeah, what for you? If you make every head in your mistake, Nana can you so maintain it pa? Or they say wa Enfibida. I just mad Charlie, make you know my me. You know my name the I know for Jima ID. Now the figure say I stop, but I come. Because if you did set never show, sometimes the ball be like knife, them a sound the air, but they know the force. Bro, you know like my bars, you just the hit, you be number 1 with Bassa. Test again, you know catch that line, make I say it again, you be number 1 with Bassa. Test again. Whoa. Forget them other guys, they watch Pornhub, but they know get better style. You relax this year with the brain hella vibes, they no fit punch out, we gon' make them retire. Last year I played with the Simba, still FedEx they drop November. Be like them all who get in November. Wait, we go expose them in November. Rappers they lie every day, say that they kill people so they get me in line. But in real life, them abbas never fuck anybody up. They get Virgin Airlines. Mr. Express, Charlie, I be real. Rap be my breakfast, they be meal. Funny how some of these new cats know they like 10 bars, but they like steel. We know the joke for years, so bro stop playing. Charlie tell them, be like I they talk playing. You they steal my bars like for company or man city coach, I will bring company.
Okay, now that we are done with the doors, we add the text. So here you select a single line to draw a text in a single line. So here they say specify the next point or text height. So you can either type in the text height you want, or you can use your cursor to assume a reasonable height of your text.
Now the figure say I stop, but I come. Because if you did set never show, sometimes the ball be like knife, them a sound the air, but they know the force. Bro, you know like my bars, you just the hit, you be number one with bassa. Test again, you know catch that line, make I say it again, you be number one with bassa. Test again. Forget them other guys, they watch Pornhub, but they know get better style. You relax this year with the brain hella vibes, they no fit punch out, we go make them retire. Last year I played with the same bar. Still FedEx they drop no Vimba. Be like them all who get enough Vimba. Wait, we go expose them in November. Rappers they lie every day. Say that they kill people so they get mean and blind. But in real life, them abbas never fuck anybody up. They get Virgin Airlines. Mr. Express, Charlie, I be real. Rap be my breakfast, they be meal. Funny how some of these new cats know they like 10 bars, but they like stereo. We know the joke for years, so bro stop playing. Charlie tell them, be like I be talk playing. You they steal my bars like for company or man city coach, I will bring company.
I walked in the room, eyes are red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you check on me? Or did you notice me?
Yeah, them all go hear what I they come say. Oh yeah, then cry, they go know one day. No be your fault. Cause when you ass now, also you player, so you just the party. Just say you make any day, you pass test. So by the way, you need about 4 pass tests. Won't my boy, I know they feel walk past tests. Go teach me alcohol, see I know fi pass tests. You take every box, but no check on me. Like I hate Nike, no check on me. Like I use only ATM, no check on me. A joy, yeah, can't call ya, he'll check on me. Miss right became my mistake. Cause everything I get, my mistake. Love is a gamble. If you make a mistake, yeah, what for you? If you make every head in your mistake, Nana can you so maintain it pa? Or they say wa Enfebida. I just mad Charlie, make you know mind me. You know my name Dada, I know for J my ID.
Now we add another layer to our drawing, the materials layer. We didn't add any layer for materials, so I'm just going to pick any of these layers. To insert our materials or blocks, we use the command add center. So you can just type ADC and type enter. So here we choose any object we like. We use the bed, the tables, any of them we want. But here we realize that the drawing was in inches for the art center, so we wanted to use a scale of 30 so that the size of the materials can fit into our drawing perfectly. So we placed all our materials on the side of the drawing because we don't want to insert the drawing on the working area, close it and come back again. So we just put all the drawings that we will need on one side of the drawing, then later we'll close the art center and come and insert them inside the drawing again. So this right here is the kitchen. We have the bed for the queen size bed for the bedrooms. Then we also have the sofas for the living room or the hall.
Now the figure say I stop, but I can't. Because if you did self never show, sometimes the ball be like knife, them a sound the air, but they know the force. Bro, you know like my bars, you just hate to be number one with Bassa. Test again, you know catch that line, make I say it again, you be number one with Bassa. Test again. Whoa. Forget about the guys, they watch Pornhub, but they know the better style. You relax this year with the bring hella vibes, they no fit punch child, we gon' make them retire. Last year I played with the same bar. Still FedEx they drop no Vimba. Be like them all who get enough Vimba. Wait, we go expose them in November. Rappers they lie every day. Say that they kill people so they get mean and blind. But in real life, them boss never fuck anybody up. They get Virgin Airlines. Mr. Express, Charlie, I be real. Rap be my breakfast in the meal. Funny how some of these new cats know they like 10 bars, but they like steal. We know the joke for years, so bro stop playing. Charlie tell them, be like I dey talk playing. You dey steal my bars like you can't pay me, or Man City coach, I go bring company.
Now that we are done with the materials, we are going to insert our grid lines. I really want to add grid lines to this tutorial, but then I just wanted to add it so that in our next tutorial we'll watch how we can convert these drawings into proto structure, so that we'll do the structural analysis for this drawing as well. And we can't achieve that without our grid lines. So for our next tutorial, we'll be adding columns to this drawing. The rules we use in the positioning of columns, then the sizes of columns. Then we are going to export it to proto structure to run our analysis over there. So here we are just making sure that our grid lines pass through the center of every walls. We are going to have horizontal grid lines and vertical grid lines. After drawing the grid lines, we are going to delete the materials we don't need in the drawing to get a better visibility of the drawing. Here we label all the grid lines. We draw a circle on top and put an alphabet or a number inside the circle to represent that particular grid line. After the grid lines, we are going to add our dimensions. So we go to the layer properties and insert our layers for the dimensions. Then we go to dimensions, but we realize that the dimensions here are very small. We can't see them clearly like that. So we go to our annotation settings. Then we increase the height of the text to a one which we can see. So we click on the first icon, which is the standard one. Then we go to the settings of that one. Then we increase the height to 150. So 150 is like the height it's like the length of the walls or the width of the walls. Then we click on the second standard option. Then we go to click on modify. We click on modify. Then we check if the texts and everything is okay over here. We click on horizontal to align the text horizontally everywhere. Okay, I think everything is fine here. So we click on OK. Then we close it. Then we insert more dimensions over here. You can decide to add more dimensions, but for the sake of this tutorial, I want to keep everything short and simple. If you like this video, please do all to subscribe and leave comments and like the video as well. Thank you very much.